Hey guys, we received this Garvey home shoe cabinet Rattan with three flip drawers and four-tier shoe store cabinets. So that comes in a really nice box, and this is a heavy thing, so it's a high quality wood. So let me just open up everything so that I can show it to you quickly. So just in the short, it's a shoe cabinet like from the front side, and then there's a three cabinets in the other side where you can put the shoes or you can store any other thing. So let me just open everything and show it to you. It's a freestanding shoe organizer with adjustable shelves. You can put it in an entryway or the closet or a hallway. So this is all you can see is trying to get all this stuff first. So once I assemble this completely, this one is around 51.7 inches in the height and 35.4 inch in the width. There are two cabinets, like two styles, and the height from the ground is around 5.5 inches. So these are the screws, and everything is so marked on it. So this will be very easy to assemble. So all the screws, all different type of screws, and everything is all marked. So see, like the mark in here, the numbers, and those numbers are here, and on the screws also, these numbers are here. So you can just easily match, and then you can start assembling this step by step. So here, like the step one says, like choose these numbers of things. So I just choose those things, and now I have to assemble this. So this is like a fence on the top, a rattan decker door, a stylish, aesthetic, and ventilated with the adjustable shelves. They also have the metal hooks on the side that I will show it to you. So this is I'm just trying to show you very quickly how this assemble like the main steps looks like. So I will not take a lot of time in the video to show this up. So here you can see like the base. This base is all metal and this is also a height, so you can store something below it. So this is a half structure that is made. You can adjust the shelves based on your need. Also, these are the shelves that have the shoes in it. So I will just closing, giving the final touch. So this is the complete product, and you can see like the side. These are the racks, and so anti-collision. So there is an anti-collision strip that I put on the side, and you can see once this is open, you have the two shelves in each, so you can store more shoes. And on the side also, either you can store the shoes like the boots and everything, or you can store some other stuff if you don't have much shoes. So this is a really nice design, and you can easily put in the stuff. So you can also put in the additional, string with the wall that I'm not putting, but just to show. So I just put in the shoes, and you can see that easily goes inside, and I can easily store them. So there is no issue with opening and closing of it. So I just put in the shoes in the drawers and something on the sides. So you can also adjust these shelves a bit because there are two settings in here, and then you can put in the stuff. So this fits really well. The height is good. There is a big countertop on the top, so you can put in some stuff. The sideways are you can put like different things in it, and then the shoes in it. So see, like all these shoes looks messy, and once you just put in the shoes and your stuff in, you can just close it down. So you can also store the different things in here. But usually, if you want to use it for the shoes, you can put in the long boots, and then you can just close so that this will look more tidy and hide in everything. So very nice, I will say, shoe cabinet with a good stuff like good wood and the good design.